Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Latercase, and this is the Cyber Edition in the Crimson Red. One of the, I think it's a limited edition, special edition case. And this is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's also available for all the other common phones like the S21, S21 Ultra. I think it's available for some of the OnePlus devices. And I just want to say that OnePlus has come a long way on their packaging. I've ordered a couple of these. I ordered the very first one that came out, and it was just a plain white box with no branding, no nothing on it. Just like a plain white box with some foam inside in the case. This one actually has the case printed on it. It matches the color, and it's got this magnetic closure on the bottom right here. When you open it up, it's got some specs, and then it's got this pull right here. When you pull it out, it has the case inside, and that is the nicest looking case I've had in a while, or I've seen in a while. Very, very lightweight, very thin. We've got some Latercase branding right here. There's no branding on the outside of the case or anything like that. Very lightweight, very nice in the hand. I'm going to go ahead and put my phone in it. Very easy to install. I'll give the phone a quick wipe right here. Very easy to install, and it looks great on the phone. The buttons are cut out, so you still have your buttons and your ports and everything like that. This is not by any means a protective case, it's more of a style case, but it does give you some grip over that glass on the back, and it will keep the back of your phone from getting scratched up. So if you have a screen protector on the front and this on the back, you are protected. And it also looks very nice with that red color. I really like that. Camera cutouts are great. Everything is just, perfect. No issues with the cutouts or anything like that. And that is the Latercase for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Like I said, it is available for like the S21 Ultra and devices like that. But that's what it looks like on the 12 Pro Max. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.